Snore every night if you dare and witness your wife's familiar warmth turning into sulky detachment. How can the frequent snorer regain the love of the troubled bed partner? Think quick and act smart. There is such a thing as a herbal solution that lubricates the throat, soothes the nervous tension, and widens the nasal passages so that the air can enter and exit in a soundless manner. And voila! The disturbing cacophony is turned down while marriage can go on flourishing unimpeded. Snoring? Forget about snoring. Go to GoodNiterAsia.com.